Moko kuom kuonde thieth mag ji giwegi e kaunti ma Nandi okwayo sirikal mondo otim mapiyo e keto tim chenro mar okumba mar thieth manyien ne oganda mong'ere kaka SHIF. Jachung' ne kuonde thieth go eko wacho ni kokalo e wito oko okumba mar thieth mar SHIF, chenro mag thieth ne joma ne tiyo go okumba ma kamano ochung' kendo jotuo ma ne tiyo go okumba ne Osiptende ji giwegi koso yudo kony madwarore. Gi e sechego okwayo ni mondo ochiw ne jokanyo mopogore opogore sekta mar thieth mondo obi kanyakla kendo mondo gichiw kony madwarore mondo ne ni jogo mane okoso e kind oganda yudo thieth kinde duto.
The mission wing will deal more of the primary care and also deal more in the community, and the private wing will handle more other issues, but together the balance of serving a community that both who are vulnerable and those who are not vulnerable can get the best services and medical services that they can require at this particular place.
I have a heart for the vulnerable, for those who are not well educated, those who suffer from illnesses, those who have limited access to health care, education. And we've discussed today how this fine hospital can be a support to the community, and especially meeting the needs of the vulnerable in the community. Women, children, men alike, those who do not have access, those do not have resources, because they are the ones that Jesus has called us to minister to.
As far as health financing is concerned, we have had a long dry spell of non-payment from NHIF, which has impacted very negatively the life of the people within this region and even Kenya as a whole. And we are looking forward to a new scheme that is coming so that we can regularize